हा अद्य तव तु प्रत्ययम् उपयुज्य अनुवादं कुर्वन्तु. अनिल महोदय.
The priest worshipped Krishna.
The
priest, pujari.
Archakah.
Archakah. Okay. Archakah. Worship is puj. Archati. Archati or pujati?
Pujati, archati.
Okay. Archakah Krishnam pujitvan.
Next is me, right? The boy went. Balakah gatavan.
The men stood near the bus stop. Men. Janaha. Purushaha. Stood near. Standing is tishtati? No. Okay. So,
Stitavan.
Stitavantaha. Right? Near the bus stop. Vahana.
Lokayana.
Lokayanam.
Lokayana samipe.
Lokayana sthanaka.
Lokayana sthanakam.
Sthanakasya samipe. Near the bus stop.
Okay. Sthanakasya samipe. Janaha. Purushaha. Lokasthanasya samipe. Stitavantaha.
Lokayana sthanakasya samipe.
Lokayana sthanasya samipe.
Sthanakasya samipe.
Sthanakasya samipe.
Why sthanakasya? Shouldn't it be sthan and sthanasya?
Sthanakasya.
Sthanakasya samipe. Stitavantaha.
Sthanakam eva. Bus stop, no?
Oh, sthanak. Oh, okay. Sthanak. Sthanakasya.
Samipe. Stitavantaha.
Krishna Mahodaya is there.
Okay, I'm the rest. Okay. The woman wore saris. Mahila wore is dharitavati, dharitavatyaha. Sari is shatika. Mahilaha shatikayaha dharitavatiyaha.
Mahilaha shatikaha dhrutavatyaha.
Dhrutavatyaha. Shatikayaha dhrutavatyaha. Shatikaha. Shatikaha dhrutavatyaha. Okay.
Shatikaya. Shatikaha. The volunteers did the work. Okay, volunteers is... What is volunteer? Volunteer.
Sevakaha.
Swayam Sevakaha?
Swayam Sevakaha. Yeah.
Swayam Sevakaha. Okay. Swayam Sevakaha karyam kritvantaha.
Okay, Swayam Sevakaha karyam kritvantaha. Okay. The two
maybe
girls.
Saraswati, maybe Krishna.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. That's a big statement, so I was hesitating.
Sorry about that.
No, ma'am, I'm just kidding. I have to face it. Other than Anvaya Rachana, I'm okay for anything. Somehow there's a mental block. Anvaya Rachana, I get scared.
For volunteer, did you say Swayam Sevakaha?
स्वयं सेवकाः कार्यं कृतवन्तः.
कृतवन्तः. The two girls wrote the lessons in their books. Two girls,
Balike.
Balike, but so Dve Balike wrote is Lekitavat.
Can we say Balika Dvayam? Is that also okay?
Balika Dvayam. Yeah.
Oh,
You can say.
Then it becomes singular, right?
Correct.
Whatever is making simpler. So Balika Dvayam. I'm sorry, I'm lost there. Balika Dvayam. Lesson says Pataha wrote their books.
Patan, right? Because it should
Yes,
be.
ma'am. The Balika Dvayam, Patan, Likitavati, Likitavatyau in their books. Pustake. Balika Dvayam, Pustake, Patan, Likitavatyau. Likitavati, Likitavat.
लिखित
पुस्तकस्य अपि
Tayoho, right? Tayoho pustake.
Oh, their books. Tayoho pustake Patan.
पुस्तकस्यापि द्विवचनं कर्तुं शक्यते वा अत्र?
Books, right? Pustakau.
Kamayoho, Pustakayoho.
पुस्तकायां
No, Pustakayoho.
Saptami Vibhakti. When you say Balike, that itself is implied as two girls, right? Don't have to say Balika Dvayam or Dve Balike.
If it is Saptami, then it should be Pustakasu, right?
Two
books, yeah, their books is plural.
Pustakasu.
Okay, they are writing in their, yeah, it can be two books. If you think it is two books, each one of them having one
Actually,
book.
I should have made it two books. I forgot.
So can you say the whole sentence, please?
Balake,
Balike.
Balike, Patan, Tayoho, Tayoho,
Pustakayoho.
Pustakayoho, Likitavati, Likitavatyau, right? Likitavatyau, yeah. Pustakayoho, Likitavatyau.
The student obtained the certificate from the president of the workplace. Okay. The student, Chatraha, obtained Labate, Labitavan, Praptavan. The certificate is Patram.
Pramanapatram. Pramanapatram.
Pramanapatram. Chatraha Pramanapatram from President Adhyapakat, not Adhyakshat Karyalayasya Adhyakshat Pramanapatram Praptavan. Praptitavan or Praptavan? Praptavan. Okay.
This translation.
Say that again. Chatraha.
Chatraha Karyalayasya Adhyakshat Pramanapatram Praptavan.
For workplace, you said what? Karyalayam.
Karyalayam. of the work.
Correct.
Parmeshwaranji, you want to go or can I go?
I'll try. When the mother called, the boys got up and sat on the bed. Boys means balaka. Uttidavantah. Uttidavantah. And sat on the bed and Upavisavantah. When Yada Mada Akudavadi Tada Balakaha Uttidavantah Tada Sayye Upavisavantah. Is it okay?
Upavishtavantaha cha. And does that mean cha?
Bhavishyavan.
Yada. Okay, can you repeat again? 1 second, please. I did not listen.
Yada Mada Agudavati Tada Balakaha Uttidavantah Sayye Upavishtavantah cha.
Sayyam should be also there, right? Sayyam
So
on
you
the
can
bed.
also use like got up and sat up on the bed, right?
Hmm.
Like twa pratyaya.
Sure.
After
Twa
get,
Yeah, go ahead.
how should be then uttitavatya utitavat no utitva
Utityap. 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 It will be lyap because there is a
yeah utitya
Uthaya. Uthaya will.
uttaya, right? This one uttaya. So for both also it should be uttaya, right? No, there is no vachana bedanam.
Away, no, there's no change.
Yeah, okay. Uttaya sayye tishtati.
Sayyayam.
Gana.
Sayyayam.
Sayyana. Sayyayam.
Yam.
Sayya because
Okay. The mother told the daughter a story. Mata Putri. Katha is story. Katham. Told is
katayati. In that case, should it be chaturthi vibhakti then?
Yes.
Uktavati, you can say.
Uktavati. No. To the
No,
daughter.
Uktavati na. Kathayat.
Katham
Kathitavati.
kathayati. Kathitavati. So Mata
Putrai.
Putriyai Katham kathitavati.
Putriyai or Putrai?
No, it is Didya only, no Putri.
Because of the katayati word, it should be chaturthi vibhakti.
Yes.
Told to the daughter, right? To the daughter. Putrai, right?
No. Kathayati. Putriyai eva. Next one.
No, Putriyai, matlab, which vibhakti?
Ikaranta Strilinga Nadyai. So Putriyai. Chaturthi.
Oh, Putriyai. Oh, correct. Putriyai.
Triyai.
Okay. The father cleaned the floor with a clean cloth. The father cleaned the floor with a clean cloth. Cleaned is prakshal.
Swachha.
Marjayanti. Marjayati.
Prakshal is what? Wash. Okay, that is wash. Okay. Marjanti, yeah? Okay.
Marjati is sprinkling, right?
Marjayati. Swachha. Actually, you can say Swachhikritavan, is it okay if you use?
Okay.
Hmm?
Okay. Pita, floor is
Bhum.
floor is what?
Bhumi. Bhumyau.
Bhumi iti nasti.
Floor.
Chadi, something was there,
Chadi
no?
is roof, right?
Floor is
Mrityam.
Napumsakalingam. It says Kuttimam. Kuttimam.
Okay.
Napumsakalingam.
Okay.
Kuttimam. Never heard that word. But that's what my dictionary says.
Okay.
Ta,
Pita.
tha, kutta, tha,
Kutta, ta,
Kuti.
ta,
Kuttimam.
ta,
ta, ta, ta and ta. Kuttimam.
Double ta.
Hmm.
Okay. Pita Kuttimam Swachham Kritwan with the cloth, clean cloth, clean Swachha cloth, Vastram.
Prena.
Vastrena.
Vastram. Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. Pitaha
Pita.
Swachha.
Pita.
Pita स्वच्छेन वस्त्रेण कुट्टिमं स्वच्छं कृतवान्.
So if you want to make a single word, Swachhena Vastrena, instead of two words, you can say Swachha Vastrena. You can do it, right? One word.
Because the English words were separate, so I made it separate.
I try to make it simple sentences. The two boys ate the fruits. Two boys ate the fruits. Balakaha, balakau, phalani, khaditavantau.
The two, Parameshwar Mahodaya, are you going to say next?
The two girls ate the bananas. Balike Katali Bale Kaditavatyaha. Kaditavatyo.
Padri Palani. Right?
Two. He wanted to make it two. Kadli Fale.
Only two. He is not allowing more.
The cloud thundered in anger during the rainy season. Varshakale, cloud meghaha, meghaha,
Garjad.
in anger.
Garjati.
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 Kopena garjati. Garjitavan. Meghaha, right? Meghaha, so garjitavan. Meghaha varshakale kopena garjitavan.
Very beautiful sentence.
Sarika sang a song for the people. Sarika song is Geetam. Sang is Geetavati for the people. For the people would be Janaya?
Janebhya.
Oh, people. Okay.
For the people will be Chaturthi. Is it Chaturthi only?
Yeah. Ramaya, Ramabhyam,
Okay.
Ramebhyaha. So Janebhyaha.
Sarika Geetam. Geetam Janebhyaha Geetavati. Yeah.
The man sat under a tree and thought. Okay, man. Purushaha.
Mhm.
Sat is upavisa. Upavisha. No. Okay, under a tree. Under is
Adaha.
Adaha.
Adaha. Vriksha Adaha.
Vrikshasya.
Vriksha. Okay. I'm just putting the words first, then I'll convey. Okay, Vrikshaha. Thought is Chintana. Chintana, right? Okay. And Chintit Van. Okay. So Purushaha Vrikshasya Adha Utthit Upavishya Chintitvan.
Upavishtavan, chintitavan cha.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought having sat, he thought. Sat under a tree and thought. It's like that only, right? He sat under a tree and then thought. Isn't like that?
No, she didn't say after he sat, he thought. So it is and. Right?
Actually, that's what, if you read the English sentence, no, it gives that sense only. The man sat under a tree and thought.
Yeah. So
He is doing both at the same time, sitting and
Two
thinking.
jobs. Two jobs.
So then it should have been the man sat and thought under a tree.
Astu. Here it is for Tavatu Pratyaya. So nothing else is allowed.
Wow. But Upavishya is correct, right? If having.
Yes.
Then
Can we say
Upavishtavan.
Sochitavan? Is it? No.
so Uttitavan and
Shoch ityukte sad. Dukkham.
No, not show, but what is that other one?
Sochitavan.
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 Sochitavan. Is it? No.
Uttitavan.
Chintitavan athava
Chintitavan.
alochana.
Purusa Vrikshasya Adha Vrikshasya Adha Upavisatvan.
Upavishtavan.
Upishtavan.
Upavishtavan.
Upavishtavan Sochitavan cha.
Chintitavan cha. Okay.
Chintitavan.
Chintitvan.
Yes.
Upavishtavan Chintitvan cha.
The girl gave a book to the teacher. Balika, teacher is
Dadati.
Adhyapika.
Dadat. I'm last. Give a book. The Dattavati. Balika adhyapikayah pustakam dattavati.
See, when
Or
you are
the teacher,
giving
to the teacher.
Adhyapika Yai, right?
Adhyap
Chaturthi vibhakti.
Chat dadati.
or Adhyapakaya.
Adhyapika Yai.
It doesn't
Adhyapakaya.
have to be lady teacher, right? It
yeah.
can be a male teacher.
Yeah. Balika adhyapakaya pustakam dattavati. Dattavati. Pustakam.
So when it is a neutral word in English and the gender is not specified, we have to take always masculine word, right?
Whichever is easy and you know that.
I don't think so, right?
Yeah. Can you repeat the sentence? What did you say?
Balika
Adhyapakaya.
Balika adhyapakaya pustakam dattavati.
The people saw the rainbow in the sky. Janaha Agashe Indrajanam Drishtavantaha.
Indradhanusam, right?
Indra chapam ityapi vaktum shakyate.
Indratapam.
Chapam. Chapam.
Chapam.
Chapasharngam murarestu. You have heard.
Bow type.
Okay.
Chapam chekshumayam.
The rishi meditated on the Lord in the morning. Rishihi devam pratah kale meditate dhyatavan dhyatavan dhyatavan. Rishihi devam pratah kale dhyatavan.
Cook,
On
cook,
the Lord, how did it become?
Meditated on devam,
Yes. Devam.
meditated the Lord.
On the Lord.
No.
On, isn't it Saptami there? Or
We
Deve.
need Deve pratakaale Deve dhyatavan.
Devam
Jnanam
Evam only comes.
Devam, I think that Devam, in our mother tongue at least, Devam makes more sense.
the cook cooked the meal quickly. Pachakaha. Meal is
Bhojanam.
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 Quickly is
Sheghram.
shigram. Pachakaha. Bhojanam.
Pachati.
Pachitavan.
Pachitavan, right?
Sheghram pachita.
Paktavan. Paktavan, quickly. Shigram paktavan, right? So, Pachakaha, Bhojanam, Shigram paktavan.
So there is another word for quickly also, right? Travit, something like that.
Tvaritam.
Tvaritam.
Tvaritam is speed, no?
Suddenly.
Laghu kshipram vritam.
Fast.
Tvaritam. No, here shighram only. Tvaritam.
Studied before the exam. Chhatraha parikshayaha purve studied patitavantah. Chhatraha parikshayaha purve patitavantah.
Purvam iti va purve va.
Is it aware there?
Purvam prak.
छात्राः परीक्षायाः पूर्वं पठितवन्तः.
The speaker spoke about science. Speaker.
वक्ताः.
Vakta.
भाषकः वक्ताः. भाषकः. Science is can say use vijnanam.
Vijnana.
Vijnanam prati.
Prati. So vakta or bhashakah vijnanam prati uktavan.
Vakta विज्ञान विषये अपि वक्तुं
विज्ञान विषये
उक्तवान्.
Can I use bhashitavan or no? Bhashitavan.
Vishaye becomes Saptami, right? So how did it become Saptami?
On the about.
About is also Saptami.
Oh, okay.
The father placed the books on the table. Pita pustakani utpidikayam stapitavan.
उत्पीठिकायाः उपरि स्थापितवान्.
Pitikayaha.
The people laughed speech.
The previous one,
Yeah. How is it
Oh,
Utpitikayaha?
it should be Utpitikayam, right?
Upari.
No, don't have to say Upari. Utpitikayam should be good, no?
Astu. No problem.
Hmm.
The people laughed when they heard the speaker's speech. The people, Janaha, Hasitavantaha, when they heard, Yada, Yada te Shrunmantaha,
Shrutavanta.
Shrutavantaha, the speaker's body, Vaktaha, Vaktaha,
Vakta.
Vaktaha, Vaktaya,
Vaktuhu.
Vaktasya,
Tuhu.
Vaktuhu.
Hmm.
Oh, Vaktuhu is the word.
It's Piduhu.
Oh, okay. Vaktuhu.
Tuhu Bhashanam.
Vaktuhu.
Oh, it is a
Bash.
Rikaranta. Vakta is Rikaranta.
Vakta. Vaktru. Rikarant.
Avatara.
Speeches, Bhashanam.
Bhashanam Sutva.
Bhashanam, okay. Yada Janaha Vaktuhu Bhashanam Shrutva Shrutavantaha Tada Hasitavantaha.
Te hasitavantah.
Te hasitavantaha. Yeah.
Next, this is just for revision. Chaturthi Vibhakti, you have to remember Da Yachati, Krudh, Kup, Kathayati, and Avyayani like Namaha, Swasti, Swaha, Swadha, Alam, all these things. Then,
Are you sharing the screen, madam? We cannot see.
okay.
Bhashanam.
Can you see now? Okay. Then whoever I give, or if I don't give also to that person, I can say
Shall I read?
yes.
Saha Ramaya.
Then read from here.
Okay. Chaturthi Vibhakti governs the following dhatavah. Da, yachati, to give. Krudh, krudhyati, to be angry. Kup, kupyati, to be angry. Kath, kathyati, to tell.
Kathayati.
Kathayati, okay. Others were correct, right? Kupyati, krudhyati. So this is kathayati, not kathyati. Avyani like Namaha, Swasti, Swaha, Swadha, Alam, Vasat. What is Vasat?
Vashatkaram is Asirvadam.
And the Alam?
Veda.
Alam is enough. Is the
Oh, not those. Enough. No.
Enough.
Alam Annam.
Vasht means?
Vashat.
Vashat means?
Ashirvad.
Because Vedas and all that say Ashirvad and Vashatkaras, those things will come.
Vashat, I think in Rudram they say Vashat.
Aham yachami. Aham phalam yachami. Aham balakaya phalam yachami. Whoever I give the fruit to, or for that matter, whoever I give or not give anything to, that whoever falls into the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Krishnamade, you want to read?
Yes, sir. Saha Ramaya Pustakam Yachati. Radha Malayai Jalam Yachasi.
Radha
Pushpam
Mala.
yachati.
Radha is giving pushpam, flower, to Mala. Some person by name Mala.
Oh, okay, okay. I was wondering how creating Mala.
She's tricking us.
Radha Malaye Pushpam Yachati. Tvam Krishnaya Jalam Yachasi. Sa Tasmai Jnanam Na Yachati.
Not
Whoever I am not giving. Na Yachati. Whoever I am angry or not angry with, that whoever falls into the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Do you want me to continue or?
Yeah.
Nirbaha Balagaya Upyadi Uddedi. Nirbam Balagaya Nirbaha Balagaya Na Upyadi. Whoever I wish to tell or not tell something to, that whoever falls into the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Aham Sishyaya Kadayami. Aham Sishyaya Na Kadayami.
Yes, here you have to. The difference you will understand.
Telling somebody to speaking to someone.
The person you
That's Saraswati
Continue.
Mata.
no, telling someone is different from speaking to someone. The person you tell or do not tell falls into the Chaturthi Vibhakti, and the person you speak or do not speak to falls into Dvitiya Vibhakti. Therefore,
What is different
so
between tell and speak?
Kathayati is telling, Vadati is speaking.
I'm trying to understand in Hindi or.
You
Story
read
you
further. You read further.
Therefore, aham tasyai kathayami. I tell her maybe a story or a secret. Aham tam vadami. I speak to her softly, angrily, lovingly, whatever. Aham tasyai na kathayami. Aham tam na vadami. Vadami.
Okay.
Said versus told. Told is like an order kind of thing.
Said versus told. Huh?
I told her to do this. I'm telling you to do this. It's like.
Hey, just remember Kadadi, what you use Kadadi, that's all.
Yeah.
Don't confuse. Kadadi, Chaturthi.
Yes.
Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Yeah.
Let us look at the Swa group.
No,
Kehna or bolna, is that what it is? Kehna or bolna, Anil Mahoday?
Kehna.
Bolna?
I think so.
Okay, let's look at the Swa group. Swasti, Swaha, Swadha. These three mean, let there be good welfare. Shishyaya Swasti. Swaha is used for the gods in rituals that involve the Lord. Om Pranaya Swaha.
So what does it mean? Pranaya Swaha?
Let there be welfare. Good. That's what it means. There is no.
For prana. Prana is what here?
Vayu.
Prana is Vayu.
Vayu. There are 9 kinds of Vayu. Pranaya Swaha, Apana Swaha, Udana Swaha. They come in the different.
5 the 5 pancha prana, they are in our own body, no? Prana, apana, udana, samana, dhyana.
Oh, so this prana means all those things.
All those prana.
Swasa.
Vayu mainly.
Energy.
Yeah? Breath. You can say breath.
Hmm.
Swadha is used for rituals involving our forefathers or ancestors, frequently in all the Shraddha ceremonies. You will recognize these avyayas now in most Vedic mantras. Keep a watch out for when Swaha is used and when Swadha.
Okay. So now I think it is very clear. Then there is
Aham
just exam. Aham snanaya sarovaram gacchami. Aham saha patnaya vidyalayam gacchati. Iti. Then
Patna, yeah, Patna, yeah. This Patna, just can you show that Patna?
pathanaya. Patitum vidyalayam gacchati. Pathanaya pathanartham. Pathanartham, yes. Here, this one also you have to. Namaha.
Anil.
Namaha is an aware. The form of Namaha never changes and is always used with the Chaturthi Vibhakti. But Nam is a dhatu, and when used as a verb, Nam, Namati, the verb form must agree with the subject. For example, Ramaya Namaha. But Aham Ramam Namami, Sah Ramam Namati, Tvam Ramam Namasi. Yeah, this is, we had a lot of discussion
Yes,
on this.
yes. Now it is clear. Okay. That's why I kept it here. I just wanted to clear.
Dhanyawad.
Okay. Next we will go to some exercise. Here some sentences in Chaturthi Vibhakti.
You need to share the screen.
Yes. Oh, not this one. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Some sentences in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Dhanikah daritrebhyah dhanam yachati. Dhanikah. So what do we do? Do any
Here,
translation?
no. Here, you can translate. Translate into English.
Rich
person? Which man?
Rich man.
They're frozen.
Anila is frozen.
Money to the poor people.
Krishna Mahodaya. Bhavan vadat.
Rich man.
Anila is unfrozen now.
Punah agatavan. Anila Mahodaya punah agatavan. Vadatu Mahodaya.
Rich person gave money to the poor.
Poor people.
Poor people. Many
Many people.
Poor people. Poors. Okay.
Gruhastaha Brahmanaya Danam Yachati. Householder gave money to a Brahmin.
Gives money. Yachati is present tense.
Gives.
Yes, ma'am. Gives money. Yeah.
Grihastaha is what?
It's not past tense. Yeah.
Grihastaha what?
What is
Householder.
Householder.
No. What vibhakti is this? Oh, grihasta. Oh, grihasti. Okay.
Gruhastaha is Gruhastaha is householder.
Grihasthaha.
The feminine form is gruhini, right?
Okay.
Devaya pujam samarpayami. Worship. Offer worship to God. I offer worship to God.
Yeah, I is implicit.
Ruch dhatu. Ruchu dhatu. एते सर्वे रुच् धातोः वाक्यानि.
शङ्कराय अभिषेकः रोचते. Shiva likes Abhishekam. Shankara likes Abhishekam.
Naribhyah.
What is Abhishek?
Abhisheka Priyo Shankara.
I don't know the
Water.
To pour water, or it can be anything. He likes kind of taking bath, spiritual bath, I can say.
Abhisheka.
Naribhyah bhushanani rochante. Women, ladies like ornaments.
Ornaments. Balakaya modakam rochate. Boy likes modak. I don't know English.
Laddu, right?
Laddu.
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 That is also Hindi.
Not laddu.
See.
Modakam is korkatai.
Modak.
Boy likes spherical sweet.
More specific.
Oh, is modakam laddu?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no. I thought modakam is that that when you make for Ganesh Chaturthi. No?
I think that's the actual one is they put Purnam inside and then layer outside. That's more.
That's what I know, modakam, but everywhere the translation is laddu. So
Oh, really?
What is it actually?
see,
Preparation.
they put like rice flour. They make
Samskrite vadatu.
It's easier to make it than to.
Tandula pishta. Tandula churnam.
Tandula churnam.
Churne.
उष्ण जले स्थापयित्वा
चूर्णम् उष्णजले स्थापयित्वा मिश्रीकृत्य मिश्रणं कृत्वा
लघु कूपी कृत्वा तस्यां मधुरं
स्थापनीयं किल शर्करा नास्ति
नारिकेलं गुडां मिश्रं
गुडानां मिश्रणं नारिकेलस्य गुडस्य मिश्रणं किञ्चित् स्थापयित्वा
उष्णजले I don't know, steaming. उष्णजले स्थापय not jale.
सरस्वती महोदया श्रुत्वा अहं मोदकं रोचते
Saraswati, you use the word kupi for what?
Just like you make like a cup like a thing, right, where you put that ball.
So is that called kupi? Cup is called
Any
kupi?
cup. I don't know what to say. It's kind of like a cup.
Okay. No, I didn't know the word for cup. Okay.
Kupi is glass also, right?
Yeah, my mind was going for glass, so I didn't know.
Yeah, any container which you sip from.
चषकः इत्युक्ते ग्लास् न
Very good
Chashakaha is
attempt.
glass.
Saraswati Madhav, very good attempt.
सम्यक् इदानीं रुच् धातु कोऽपि न विस्मरन्ति
Modakam
रोचते मह्यं मोदकं रोचते
अस्तु
Tasmai kim, or is that me or?
Krishna Mahodaya.
Oh, Krishna,
Tas-
oh, you said.
Tasmai kim ruchitam. Tasmai kim ruchitam. What do you like?
What
Tasmai,
does
what
he
does
like?
he like?
Tasmai. Yes.
Tasmai, what? What does he likes? What does he like? Okay.
Why it is Ruchitam?
What is liked by him, maybe.
What is liked by him?
Gantum, like that.
Mahyam drakshabalam rojade. I like grapes.
So even if it is liked by him, it is not Tritya, it is Chaturthi only.
Rochate,
Rochate word you use Chaturthi.
blanket.
Okay.
The dhatu.
Draksha phalam is grapes, right?
Saraswati Mother, you.
Okay, where is that?
Shat.
Tubhyam. Tubhyam kim rochate? What do you like?
You all, no?
Tubhyam. You all, yeah. Tubhyam.
You are.
No?
Oh.
Tubhyam.
Bahuvachanaga.
Tubhyam.
Hastine ikshudandaha rochate. Hastine.
Tubhyam is still
Hastine
one.
is elephants.
No, you know.
Because for all it will become Yusmabhyam.
Tubhyam is only you only. Singular
Yeah,
only.
singular only.
Tubhyam. Yushmadyad. Yushmabhyam.
Yeah, Yusmabhyam will be plural.
Tubhyam.
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 Yuvabhyam. Yuvabhyam. Yushmabhyam.
Yeah, it is confusing. Tubhyam.
Yes. Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hastine.
Elephants.
Hastine is what? In your hand?
No, elephant. Elephant.
Oh, really?
Hasti.
Elephant?
Hasti is elephant.
Astipakaha. Astipakaha or Astipakaha?
Hastipakaha.
Astipakaha.
Pakaha.
What is
Hastine
Paka?
ikshudanda.
Ikshudanda is sugar cane.
Ikshudandaha. Oh, sugar cane. Oh, okay. Sugar cane is liked by elephant.
Yeah, what form is this Hasti ne?
Hastine. What is it?
That is the Chaturthi only, no? Astinaha. Asti, Astina, Astinaha.
Oh, Ikaranta?
Nakarandam.
Ikaranta Pumlinga?
Nakarandam, I think.
Nakarantam.
Oh, Nakaranta.
But Hastihi.
Astin it is maybe. Astin.
Hastin Shabdaha. Kintu Hastihi Hasti.
Oh, Hastin Sabda Chaturthi Vibhakti Hastine.
Like Guni, Gunino, Gurinaha, like that. Gunine.
Yeah, Astine. Yeah. Karmani. Astine.
Okay, we will go to
Namne. Nama Shabda also.
Sprah Dhatu. Dani. Again Modaka has come.
Balakah Modakaya Sprihatyati.
Mukad Jalam Sravati.
What is Sprihatyati?
Sprah Dhatu. It is also like only. Ruch, like Ruch.
Oh, okay.
But when Ruch Dhatu comes, the person who likes will get Chaturthi.
Okay.
Here, what the person likes, that will get Chaturthi.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
That's
So
why
is Rochate. Rochate is that Atmanepadi? What is that?
Rochate is Atma.
Okay. Balakah Modakaya Sprihayati.
Idanim Anilaha api.
Anilah Modakaya Sprihayati. Anil likes the Modaka. Spherical sweet.
So Spruh is like In this case, the object, whatever they like, is in Chaturthi Vibhakti.
That is the difference between ruch dhatu and spruh dhatu.
Spruha dhatu.
Balaka.
Naryah kusumebhyah spruhayanti. Ladies like kusumebhyas flowers.
Shishuhu Shirai. Sorry.
Shishuhu Shiraya Sprahadi. Child likes milk. Punyashalinaha Bhaktaye Spruhayanti. Punyashalinaha. The one who Shalinaha. There is one more. Shalinaha. Yeah. One who has done good deeds. Punyashalina. Okay.
Yes.
Many people. The people who have done good deeds.
No, it is ekvachanam, right? Salina.
Singular, right?
Hey, they Bahuvajanam.
Punyashali.
Punyashalino, Punyashalinaha.
Spruhayanti, like, because it's a Spruhayati versus Spruhayanti. So that's it.
How did it become bahuvachan?
Punyashali, Punyashalo, Punyashalinaha.
Punyashalin shabdah, Punyashali, Punyashalinau, Punyashalinah.
So they like what they do, like bhakti. They like bhakti.
Kapayah phalebhyah sprihayanti. Kapayah.
Monkey.
Monkeys.
Monkeys.
Kapi kapayah.
Okay. Monkeys like fruits.
Krud, druh, kup, ish, ashui. Bhimah Duryodhanaya krudhayati.
Suryodhanaya.
It should be Duryodhanaya, right?
Same.
He has that, this also. He has this name also.
Suyodhana.
Oh, really? Oh, I didn't know. Oh, because Du is indicator of bad, so they made it good also, Suyodhana. Whenever you are doing good thing, called Suyodhanaya.
Can you pronounce that the second one?
Bhimaha Suyodhanaya.
No. In the dhatu.
Oh, Druh.
So how? What is the difference between this and the other one? Da with the rukaranta. Dhru. Is there a difference in the?
Dru.
That is dru.
This is Dru.
Dhru.
Oh no, she's saying drishti and dhru.
Drishti.
What is the difference she's asking?
So because it is dra plus ukaranta, dhru. That is da plus rukaranta.
Sounding very similar.
So can you say once again so that I can hear the difference?
Druh. Druh is dra and u. Druh.
Dra and Dre.
Maybe
Dhru,
there is more and
vibration. More vibration.
No. Dhru and Dru.
No. Without Ukaranta we are trying.
Same.
No, that would be dra, right?
Dra and Dra. Maybe
No,
more vibration.
No.
Saraswati Modaye wants to know with Ukaranta and Rukaranta.
No. I don't think she wants that.
See, this one is dra plus ukaranta, right?
Yes.
Dhru.
Drakaranta plus ukaranta becomes dhru. And dakaranta plus rukaranta, how do you pronounce it? That is dhru.
Drishti.
Drishti.
Dra.
Dhrutam. Dhrutam.
Drishtavan.
That is dhru. Okay.
Dhru and dru.
Drishtavan.
Dra. Dra.
Drishti.
Actually, there could be confusion between without ukaranta. Then they sound very similar.
No, they don't sound similar at
Ukaranta-
all. No, it is dra and dr. That is so different. Without the ukaranta, it will be dra.
and that will be also
Dra.
dra.
Dr. Dra and dr.
Yeah, matlab very close. That's a
Now, dhru and dra is more closer than dra and dhru.
Yes, we will go to the next exercise. उपसर्गाः वाक्यानि
पूर्यत प्र परा अप सम अनु अव निश निर दुश दुर वि आंग अधि अपि अति सु उत अभि प्रति परि उप. Okay, so these are upsargas, right?
21 upasargas, right? 21, 22.
22.
So we are
द्वाविंशति
I already forgot one, so 22.
द्वाविंशतिः. शिक्षकः बालकं. What do I do?
Use this any of the upasarga. Upasargam upayujya vakyam purayatu.
Okay.
Ahvayati.
But I is not there in that list.
Ang.
Ang will become adishati. Like that. That ngakaram will go after some prakriya.
Upavishati.
No, upavishati will come. Upavishati is he himself has to sit.
Upavishati. Pathayati type. Pathayati.
In that story, what that Nrupaha will send the Sagaraha will send his son away, right? What is that word? Sagaraha. Sahara will send the son outside the country. What is that word? Banish.
Bahishkar.
Bahishkaroti.
Bahishkaroti. Okay.
But there is no upsarga verb bahis. Shikshakah balakam. Nirvikam up. Can I add any upsarga to any word like that, or how is it?
No, you
Makes sense, right?
With
Some
some
meaningful. Some meaning it should have.
You can't
What is
add upabodhakam.
praharati? What is praharati?
Praharam is hitting.
Okay, shikshakah balakam praharati.
Kimartham?
Yeah. Praharati means Praharati. I couldn't understand. Yeah,
can
that.
You can ask Ubadishadi also. Ubadishadi. Advices. Choraha dhanam abaharadi.
Apaharati. Okay.
Krishna Mahodaya.
Krishna Mahodaya is not there.
Raja Shatrum what's that word? Hitting. Praharati.
Vinashadi.
Praharati. You can use Praharati.
Vinashadi. Raja Shatram Vinashadi.
V is there.
Panditaha Samasyam Pariharati. So that means the Pandita resolved the confusion or samasya problem.
Solved the problem.
Pariharati.
Janaha Udyane. Can you bring it down so I can see the
Viharati.
Janaha Udyane. Viharati then? No.
Vicharanti also could be there, right? Vicharanti.
Viharanti. Janaha iti bahuvachanam asti kila? Viharanti.
Vicharanti is also fine.
Vicharanti. Am.
Upavishanti. Janaha
Udyane upavishanti.
Kanishtha Jeshthasya Vyavaram. Kanishta means younger one.
Younger brother.
Jeshthasya Vyavaram. Durvyavaranti.
Anusarati.
Huh?
Anusarati, you know.
Anusarati, follows.
Oh, okay. Anusarati.
If he doesn't follow, nirakaroti. That also.
Can't we use adhigamicchati or no? That's.
What is adhigamachit? Gamishati?
Adhikam ichchati. Adhikam atra upasargah nasti kila.
No, adhigamicchati.
Adhigamati.
Adhigamati.
What is adhigamati?
Follows.
Adhigachati.
Adhigachati, right?
Adhigachati.
Adhi will have dvitiya vibhakti. Right? So which one I have to read?
Krishna.
Mata.
Oh, me? Kanishta is Mata Kshiram. Mata Kshiram.
Parishal.
Pariveshayati.
Pariveshayati. Which is Pariveshayati is looking after, right?
Pariveshayati is serving.
Survey.
Serving.
Okay. Pariveshayati.
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 Gruhini, gruham.
Sammarjayati.
Oh, you have to say Parameshwar Mahadev. Sorry. Always I used to be after Krishna Mahadev. Sir. Go ahead, Parameshwar Mahadev.
Yeah, which one?
Yes. Gruhini, gruham.
Sammarjayati.
What is that?
Clean. Brooms.
Clean.
Pratigachati.
Graham pratigachati.
Broom.
Gruham pratigachati. She went towards the house.
Went back.
But that is not a upasarga, right? That is the avyaya.
Prati is upasarga, right? Gachati, I'm adding prati.
Graham prati gachati.
Towards the house?
No. Graham prati gachati. Prati
Two
gachati.
different words.
Actually, actually only should come because graham is there. No?
Yeah.
Diya Vyakti means gacha. So Pratigachati may be correct.
Pratigachati.
Sajjanaha ita vachanam. Ita vachanam. Anuvadanti.
Anuvadati. Sajjanaha is Sajjanaha.
Sajjana
Anusarati.
Anusarati. Follow.
Anusarati. Okay, Anusarati.
Sajjanaha janan
Ahvayati.
Sixth chapter, right? Upasarga.
Bhagini vastram prakshaliyanti.
Prakshalayati.
Prakshalayati.
Prakshalayati. Nataha samyak. Nataka samyak. Anusaranti.
Anukaroti. He enacts, no? So,
yeah. Anukaroti.
What is anukaroti?
Follows.
Anukaranam. Following.
Anukaranam. Following.
Parameshwar.
रामः सीतां प्रणयति.
Pranayati is married. वैद्यः रोगिणः वेदनां निवारयति.
Which upsarga did we use here?
Ni.
There is no ni here, right?
Yes, ni is there now.
Nis is there. Nir is there. Nirvarayati. If ra is there, nirvarayati.
Nis asti kila.
How can the S sound will sandhi?
Sakaram will go and nivarayati. Like ang. Agachati you are saying, no? That ngakaram is that.
कर्मकरः आपणात् वस्तूनि कर्मकरः आपणात् वस्तूनि विक्रयति. No, from the वस्तूनि
विक्रियति.
आनयति वा?
आनयति.
आपणात् वस्तूनि आनयति.
Yeah, vikrati will be selling, right? So karmakara apanat from the
As long as it makes correct, I think don't look at the meaning.
What
You'll
is
go sell that.
What is karmakara?
Worker.
Servant.
Maybe worker also.
Worker, yeah.
Kim karaniya miti saha. Kim karaniyam
iti.
Oh, kim karaniyam iti saha. What does it mean? Karaniyam. Kim. What should I do? What should he do? What should
karaniyam? Kim
What
karaniyam?
should indeed he do? This is already complete. Right?
No. It is saha.
This
What should I do? Kim what should be done?
Anuchintayati.
Alochayati.
Vismarati.
Kim karaniyam.
Vismarati. That happens regularly.
Karaniyam.
That's a very good one.
Smarati.
Good one.
Agrajaha anujam anucharati tadayati or anucharati.
Permission.
Bhavan sada sajjanan anugacchati.
Anugacchati. Anusaratu.
Anusarati.
Kripaya mama vachanam ma vismaratu.
Ma vismaratu. Ma nirakarotu.
Guruhu shishyan nitim. Guru shishyan nitim dishati.
You just need to add a prefix. Ma'am has given already.
Upadeshati.
Is it nirdhishati? Nir will come.
Nitim.
That is also correct.
So it's better upadeshati.
Upadeshati is gives.
Upadesham karoti.
Upadesham karuna.
Preaches or teaches.
Nitim is rules. Is that what it is? Nitim?
Nitim is values.
Values.
Okay, I have
one question. What is the difference between bodhayati versus patayati?
Hitavachanam bodhayati. Patham pathayati.
It is preach versus teach.
Excellent.
इदानीं यु हर्ड् भवन्तः सर्वे मिलित्वा
Story.
कथां श्रावयतु.
रतिभः तालः कटः
आसन्दः आसन्दः
कथा मह्यं बहु रोचते, अतः अद्य कथां शृण्मः.
मम गृहे एकम् आसन्दम् अस्ति.
आसन्दः एकः आसन्दः
आसन्दः अस्ति.
एकमेव वा?
रोचते कथाया. गृहे
तत् आसन्दात् समीपे एकः करदीपः अस्ति.
आसन्दस्य समीपे
तालः आसन्दः उपरि एकः तालः
आसन्दस्य उपरि
एकः तालः स्थापयति.
कः स्थापयति?
सः स्थापयति आसीत् अस्ति तालः अस्ति.
कुञ्चिका सह स्थापयति.
कुञ्चिकया
सह.
What is kataha?
Cot.
It is mat.
Cot or mat? Mat. Manchah is cot.
आसन्दस्य समीपे कुट्टि मे एकः कटः अस्ति.
Dandadeepa is what?
Tube light.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh boy. Kataha upari Dandadeepah asti. Dandadeepam asti or Dandadeepah asti?
कटस्य उपरि, right? और कटः
कटस्य
उपरि दण्डदीपः अस्ति.
नहीं तो प्रकोष्ठे दण्डदीपः अस्ति.
मम गृहे दण्डदीपः.
कति दण्डदीपाः सन्ति तत्र?
एक प्रकोष्ठ एकस्मिन् प्रकोष्ठे एकः दण्डदीपः.
एकः दण्डदीपः एव वा?
अनेकानि प्रकोष्ठे अनेकानि दण्डदीपाः.
अनेकाः दण्डदीपाः.
अनेकाः दण्डदीपाः सन्ति.
पिञ्जः. What is पिञ्जः?
Switch. Okay,
दण्डदीपः.
Oh, my turn. Okay. दण्डदीपः प्रकाशयति. दण्डदीपः पिञ्जेन सह प्रकाशयन्ति.
दीपं ददाति, प्रकाशं ददाति.
No. I want to say
प्रकोष्ठे
switch on.
प्रज्वालयति.
Okay. दण्डदीपः
ज्वालयति.
दण्डदीपः पिञ्जेन सह प्रज्वालयति.
पिञ्जेन प्रज्वालयति. पिञ्जेन सह इति मास्तु. सः इत्युक्ते
दण्डदीपः पिञ्जेन प्रज्वालयति.
Okay. समीकरः. What is समीकरः?
Iron box. Iron box. Iron box.
समीकरः.
Krishna Mahadev doesn't have one, so he's thinking what to do with that.
No, but wanted to tell.
Samikara.
I don't know what to do with the Samikara.
Exactly, that's what I'm telling you.
Samikarena vastrani.
Kim kar Samikarena kim kartum iti ichchami. Iti soche.
किं करणीयम् इति
Kim karaniyam iti.
आलोचय
Yeah, soche.
चिन्तयामि
Chintayami. Kim karaniyam.
Mama
iti
Gruhe. He
chintayami.
started with the
Mama-
Mama Gruhe. So, okay. Parameshwar Maharaj.
वित्तिषु वित्त्यां sorry वित्ते प्रकोष्ठस्य भित्ते एकः दर्पणः
सुन्दरः दर्पणः
भित्ते meaning
भित्ति
Wall.
वाल्
भित्ति
Hmm.
भित्ति
एकः दर्पणः अस्ति
What did you say, ma'am? What darpana? Kim
सुन्दरः
darpana?
सुन्दरः दर्पणः
Sundarah darpanah. Bahu
Syutah.
sundarah.
Syutah.
दर्पणः बृहत् वा बहु
लघु लघु
लघु वा
मीडियम मीडियम
Madhyama, madhyama.
मध्यम बहु बृहत् अपि नास्ति
Madhyama asti.
लघु न नास्ति
How can you say magic darpana?
Yadu darpana.
माया माया
Maya
दर्पणः
darpana.
माया बज़ार्
Maya darpana.
माया बज़ार् माया बज़ार् चलनचित्रे कथं सर्वे माया दर्पणे सम्यक् पश्यन्ति तावदेव
Yes.
अनिलमहोदयस्य गृहे एकः
माया।
सुन्दरः मायादर्पणः अस्ति
Maya darpana.
भित्त्याम्
एषः दर्पणः पुरतः महिला स्यूतम् आनयति बट् विविध स्यूतेन दर्पणस्य पुरतः तिष्ठति
सा
I'm just adding one character
महिला
now.
का
You could have said Swapna Meho. You could have added Swapna Mehodaya because she is coming next.
No, because you said Maya Bazaar, so there is this Maya Sundar. I'm bringing up.
So what is that lady doing? She's bringing the bag and showing in front of
She's
the mirror?
she is just standing in front of the mirror with a bag.
Oh, okay. Nalika is a tap, right? Nalika.
Now what are you going to do with the tap with the bag?
Okay.
Fill it with water.
Prakosh.
Mahila is going inside the kitchen.
Put the water in the bag.
What is outside?
बहिः बहिः
Okay. Prakoshte bahihi.
प्रकोष्ठात्
Prakoshthat
बहिः
Oh, prakoshtat
Guhat
bahihi.
bahihi.
Eka nalika asti.
Okay.
Agni petika.
Nalika.
एका नलिका
Eka nalika.
Eka nalika asti. Nalikat.
जलं श्रावयति
नलिकातः
Nalikat jalam.
नलिकात् इति वा
From.
पञ्चमी स्त्रीलिङ्गं किल
नलिकायाः जलं प्रवहति अग्निपेटिकायां प्रविशन्ति प्रविशन्ति See, See, Katha has to be rochak.
Okay.
She said the tap is outside the house and you're seeing the water enter the
It is open. Lot of water came. It went inside kitchen and in short story.
Now Krishna Mahodaya is searching for the
I don't
Kunchika.
know. Kunchika is the key, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, is the key. Yeah, is the key.
कुञ्चिका जले निमज्जति वा?
How can I say it? Kunchika.
Just visualize what all has happened in the house now. You have to tell what to do with the key. All over water, mirror.
Oh, okay. I'm lost. I don't know what to say.
Are you able
because-
to see?
Yeah, there is a lady in the house. You're forgetting her.
सा माया महिला.
She can
Maybe
take
I'm
the Kunchika and go away.
No, Krishna Mahodaya, maybe the Kunchika is inside the bag.
I was thinking Kunchika is be inside the Agnipetika, but it doesn't sound good.
Yeah, but
No,
you're
Syut-
trying to find it
No,
now.
Syutaha.
Syutaha. Okay. Kunchika, Mahilasya
महिलाया.
Mahilayaha Syutaka.
Syute.
Syute eka Kunchika asti.
अनन्तरं महिला दूरवाण्या भाषणं करोति.
Okay. Sayya. Mahila Bahu tired. Shantaha Bhavati. Shanta Bhavati. Mahila Bahu Shanta Bhavati. Ataha
बहुकालं दूरवाण्या
भाषणं कृत्वा
कृत्वा
बहु श्रान्ता भवति. अतः सय्यायां निद्रां करोति.
विश्राम करोति.
विश्रामं करोति. अत्र स्थगयामः वा कथां? अग्रिमकक्ष्यायां पुनः किञ्चित् अन्या कथा.
We'll start with a different house.
She is sleeping na. Mahila Devdan karodi.
महोदयस्य गृहे.
Yes.
You have to wake her up next story.
Yeah. If Swapna Mahodaya could have continued, the Mahila could have taken some saris from the Kapatika.
That was in my mind.
ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति. अग्रिममङ्गलवासरे पुनः
धन्यवादः. पुनर्मिलामः.
आं कृष्णमहोदय.
When time permits, could you please look at my email? I asked for meaning of one word.
आम् करोमि. सरस्वती महोदया अपि किञ्चित् पृष्टवती.
In that, I didn't understand what vibhakti is used, because it's the same word used several times in the first line.
I'll check today.
You have sent a mail to the group?
No, separate I think.
Actually, I did not, but what I have asked for is one word. Manikyasha Srujavaram. I don't know how to break it because Shai is coming in the Manikyasha Srujavaram. I know it's a Japamala, but I don't know how to break it. So I was asking for help.
I'll check.
Manikyasha Srujavaram.
I'll check and.
Yeah,